Good day, everyone. Today we will explore the key skills for you to make a better public speaker, whether delivering speech or leading discussions. Mastering these skills can make your message unforgettable. So let's dive in. First, let us discuss the vocal modulation. Your voice isn't just a tool for speaking. It is a powerful instrument for engaging your audience. Next, the body language. Words matter, but how can you present yourself can make or break your speech. Finally, audience engagement. Audience engagement is all about interacting and communicating others. So there you have it. Body language, vocal modulation, and audience engagement. Practice these skills and you'll see a remarkable transformation in your delivering your speech. Remember, public speaking is a journey. With each step, you'll grow more confident and impactful. Thank you for watching. See you soon.